Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the volume on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now to change the volume, there are a few different ways how you can do this. You can press on the volume up or volume down key, and then from the sidebar menu or the sidebar volume, you then tap on the more button at the top of the bar. From here, you can readjust the volume on your device. There are 4 different types of volume. You've got system volume that you can change. You've got notification volume that you can increase or decrease. And here you got the ringtone, which are your incoming phone call that you can change. Now, if I lower my ringtone, you can see all the sound we also get to minimize as well. And here I've got media volume. Media volumes are like videos that you play from the YouTube app, the music, audio that you played from app like Spotify or from YouTube music. So that is media volume. Now with any of this volume bar, you can immediately mute the sound by tapping at the bottom here. It will immediately goes already down to the bottom, and then it will mute audio for that particular volume type. And you can see here, if I decrease or mute ringtone, then all the other volumes on the left hand side will automatically get decreased as well. So those are the 4 different settings. Now if you tap on the settings over here on the top corner, it will take you straight to the volume setting page. Otherwise, you can swipe down at the top to open up quick settings panel. In here, you can tap on the settings icon, and then in settings, you go down and tap on sounds and vibration. And then we go down and tap on the volume option. And again, in here is a different user interface. So we got ringtone volume, we got media volume. Now again, normally you should be able to tap on the side to immediately lower the volume. With this interface here, you cannot tap on the left hand side to lower the volume. So you need to actually drag the bar down to lower the volume. So you got ringtone, media, notifications, and then you got system volume. So system volumes are things like interactions with the user interface. For your telephone dial pad, when you dial something in here, it will also make a sound. You can change how loud that will be. So if I lower it down to maybe around 20%, and if I open up my phone keypad, you will be able to notice that the sound coming from your dial pad will be lower, and it is softer. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.